Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Cloudflare DNS and SSL settings using API scripts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Cloudflare DNS and SSL settings using API scripts, start by ensuring you have access to your Cloudflare account. Log into your Cloudflare account and navigate to the API tokens section. Create a new API token with permissions for DNS and SSL settings. After generating the token, securely store it as it will be needed later. Next, set up your development environment. Choose a programming language suitable for API calls, such as Python or Bash. If using Python, ensure you have the requests library installed. Open your preferred code editor and create a new script file named backup_cloudflare.py. Begin by importing the requests library in your script. Define the API endpoint for accessing your Cloudflare DNS settings. This URL typically looks like https://api.cloudflare.com/client/v4/zones/your_. Replace your _zone_id with your actual zone ID from your Cloudflare dashboard. Add a function to fetch DNS records using the API endpoint. Make sure to include the necessary headers with your API token for authorization. Use the GET method to retrieve the DNS settings. Store the response in a variable and check for successful status codes. If the status code indicates success, parse the returned JSON data. Save the DNS records to a local file in a readable format, such as JSON or CSV. Next, define another API endpoint for accessing the SSL settings. Typically, this might look like https://api.cloudflare.com/client/v4/zones/your_zone. Repeat the same process of setting up headers and making a GET request for the SSL settings. Store the SSL response separately and ensure to check for successful status codes. Once you have both the DNS and SSL settings, save them to your local file system. Consider naming the files descriptively for easy identification. After completing the script, run it in your development environment. Verify that the backup files contain the correct DNS and SSL settings. For increased security, you may want to encrypt the backup files or store them in a secure location. Finally, regularly schedule this backup script to run automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.